Hey guys, so today we're going to look at hiding sold out variants in Shopify, and we're doing this for YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and you can also put a setting in there to make sure that you get text alerts, so push alerts to your mobile phone when we put out a new video. So look, we're going to be doing new videos every week, so yep, quick reminder, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, hiding sold out variants. So let's have a look at our site. We're going to do this on our Green Beans site, and I've actually gone in and marked 3 of the variants for this particular product as out of stock. So let me just show you that. If I go to the products here and I go into the variant, well, into the product itself that has variants, and you'll see down the bottom here I zeroed these out. Okay, that's just so that we could demo this. And what that does here is it basically sends these, puts these on as grayed and crossed out in this particular theme. Every theme's going to handle this differently, but themes generally, none of the themes are going to hide the sold out variants. So this problem is going to be the same problem with different themes. It's just going to appear differently on the screen. Okay, so I would prefer these to disappear rather than be marked as sold out. So let me go back to our website, and just to remind you, if you're new to our channel, we're using Turbo and the Sandbox on this particular sample website. So let's go into our online theme, and the online theme is Turbo, and let's go and edit that theme. And now I know from experience, but I'm going to show you how to find out. We know that this page is a product template, and we know that. And if you watched any of our other videos, we've already looked at how to edit these and how to duplicate them and things like that. Okay, so we know that we're looking at our product template here. So let's have a look at our product template. And where we get down to our descriptions down here, where our descriptions are included here, you'll see this piece here which says include the product form. Now the product form is going to have all of this sort of price right down to the add to cart, buy it now coded into it. So let's have a look at the product form. So the product form is pretty complicated. It has all that quantities available, stuff like that. But down here, it says that because we're using those swatches, and that's what this particular theme calls these, yeah, in order to display those swatches, sorry, where we lost it there, they wanted me to include this piece called product swatch, okay? And product swatch is actually a snippet down here. Where are we? Product swatch, there we go. And I've already got it open here. Okay, so it's actually in this product swatch that we want to do our coding. Okay, so I've actually got this documented in a blog post as well, so I'm going to do some copy and pasting here. So it's in here that we're going to make the changes. So this is in this blog, we're looking for variant in product variants, and then we're going to put an if variant.available tag. Okay, so instead of putting all the variants in, it's only going to put some. So let's have a look for variants in product variants. So let's go under there. So instead of running this for loop now constantly for everything, we're saying only run the for loop if the variant is available. If the variant is not available, then do not run the for loop. So let's go back to the end here, end of the there, and let's put an end if here just before the end for, because it's just inside this for loop, right? And we'll test this. If it's in the wrong place, we'll soon find out. End if, and close that off. Okay, that's liquid coding. So we've added here if variants available, end if inside of the for loop. So in theory, this for loop that was building out those swatches is now only going to run if the product swatch is available. Let's see if that actually works. And let's refresh this page. So we should just lose those 3 swatches. There we go. So now it's only showing the ones that we have available. And personally, I think that's 1,000 times better. It looks better on the page, declutters it, especially if you've got a lot of variants. There's nothing worse than going to a page and seeing that 10 of the 12 colors that are available sold out and don't exist anymore. Okay, so that's how you hide sold out variants. If you enjoyed this video, keep an eye. We put a new video out every week, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hey, thanks. Talk to you later.